Welcome. If you want to update your Pinterest profile picture using your mobile device, you're in the right place. Changing your profile photo on Pinterest is quick and easy, and I'll guide you through the updated steps to get it done in no time. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile phone. Once the app is open, navigate to your profile by tapping the profile icon, usually found at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you directly to your profile page. Next, tap on your current profile picture at the top of the screen. This action will bring up your profile options. From here, tap on View Profile to access the full profile view. Once you're on your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button and tap on it to open the editing options. Now, you'll see your profile picture again with an option to change it. Tap on your profile picture, and you will be prompted to either take a new photo or select one from your gallery. Choose the image you want to use as your new profile picture. You can crop or adjust it as needed to fit perfectly. After selecting your new photo, make sure to save the changes by tapping the Save or Done button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Your Pinterest profile picture will update immediately, giving your account a fresh new look. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, open the app, go to your profile, tap your picture, view and edit your profile, update your photo, and save. You can easily keep your Pinterest profile picture current and personalized. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your updated Pinterest profile.